Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Hassan, Chief Market Analyst at EverTrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, we are going to talk about gold prices, which are at a very critical junction, meaning the price can really break to the upside, or all the momentum that we have seen during the past few days can very easily fizzle out. So let's have a deeper conversation on this topic. Before we do that, as always, it is important for me to go through this slide of disclaimer and risk warning. Anything which we will be discussing in this video cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform and we will begin the conversation by looking at the gold daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what we are really seeing is that gold prices are trading to the upside, meaning as you can see, the price has reached a level which we mentioned in our previous video, and that is your resistance at 1817 to 1827. Of course, the price also bounced from our defined support zone, which we mentioned in our previous videos as well, especially in our last video. We talked about the possibility of gold prices moving to the upside from 1756 to 1777, and that is exactly what we've experienced from price per point perspective, because prices moved sharply to the upside. In fact, day before yesterday we saw this massive move to the upside, which really pushed the prices higher. Now let's have a look on intraday time frame as well. Now on the intraday time frame, the most important thing which has happened in terms of a gold prices is the prices crossing above the 50-day simple moving average, which is in pink, and followed by that we have 100, and then finally a 200-day simple moving average. Now the fact that the price crossed above the 50-day simple moving average was very positive, but at the same time the price was stopped by number one is the resistance zone of 1817 to 1827, and secondly the 100-day simple moving average. As you can see over here very clearly that the price failed to break above the 100-day simple moving average. That was a clear indication that okay, we are moving to the downside from here, and that is exactly what we experienced. And the price briefly broke below the 50-day simple moving average and then quickly moved back above the 50-day simple moving average. Now, once again, the price tested the 100-day simple moving average, as you can see over here, but again it failed to break above the 100-day simple moving average. So clearly what we really need in terms of a price action is a price breaking above the 100-day simple moving average, because that will assure us and give us the confirmation that we need in terms of a price action that gold prices are likely to move to the upside. Now, unless the price can't break above the 100-day simple moving average, well, the odds will continue to remain in favor of prices to move to the downside. And at the same time, it is also quite important for the RSI to the RSI is trading near basically the traders also need to pay attention that the RSI is trading near overbought area, because 70 is our overbought area and 30 is our oversold area. So the traders are being a little bit hesitant that look, prices can actually retrace from here, or at least traders are not pushing the prices with their full position on, because there is a fear in the market that prices can retrace because we are near overbought territory of RSI. But overall, keeping our focus on the price action, what we really need on the bigger time frame, from the bigger time frame perspective, is the prices breaking above this particular resistance area, and the moment the price will break that on the daily time frame, the price is really going to have the next resistance near 1840 price level, because then we are going to move this resistance area from here to here, and that would be between 1840 to 1850, because price is likely to have more challenging time and near the 50-day and 100-day simple moving average on the daily time frame. So we will continue to monitor, but so far the summary is that price has moved away from our defined support area. Now the price is in a very difficult spot as it is trying to break above the 100-day simple moving average. The chances are that that the price may break above this particular support, this particular resistance area, but on the daily time frame we need the price to cross above not only this resistance but also these two obstacles as well, which are your 50 and 100-day simple moving averages. That's all for now, and I'll catch you guys next time at the same place.